remember this towel? We proved on our car last time. GT Shine has seen the video and sent us the new one. Now we unbox that and we try if it's better than the older. When you touch it, you can feel it's a less soft than the other. It's another type of microfiber.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone.
It dries very well and very better than the older. We suggest you to buy this on the site gtshine.com. This is very better than the older. It dries very well, as you can see. In one time, the car is completely dry. This is very essential.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired.